Okay, stand up everyone. Mr. Apple, can you please lead our prayer?
Let's bow our head, close our eyes, and let us pray. Our Father, hallowed be the kingdom of the Lord within our heart. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not let us deliver us from evil.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Apple. So, good morning, class. By the way, my name is Mary Grace M. Yong. So, once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Yong. Good morning, classmates. It's nice to see you again. Mabuhay!
Okay, but before that, pakitingin sa mga gilid-gilid nyo. Kung meron kayong nakikita mga basura, pakipulutin at ilagay sa bag. At kapag meron akong nakikitang nagsiselfone dyan, kukunin ko yan at ibabalik mamaya. At kapag meron akong nakikitang natutulog at nagchichismisan, tatayo hanggang matapos ang ating klase. Naiintindihan ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so please arrange your chairs. Okay, settle down everyone. Thank you, Mama. Who's absent right now?
No absent, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, what was our previous lesson? It's all about Miss Manlupi.
It's all about transporting a victim to safety.
Okay, transporting the victim to safety. So, why it is important to transport the victim to safety? Mr. Apple.
It is important to transport the victim is to avoid them into a danger and to prevent further injury.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Apple. So, we need to transport the victim to safety place. So, let's move on and let's proceed to our new lesson. So, as you can see, meron tayong mga words dito, no? Meron tayong mga words. And please read our instruction.
Identify the indoor and outdoor activities based on the words given.
Okay, dito, mag-identify kayo kung indoor activities ba or outdoor activities. So, meron tayong mga words dito, no? So, mag-indicate lang kayo kung indoor activities ba or outdoor activities. So, ang indoor activities, ito yung nilalaro sa loob or ginagawa sa loob. At kapag outdoor activities naman, ito yung nilalaro sa labas or ginagawa sa labas. So, I will group you into two. This is the group 1 and this is the group 2. So, I give you 1 minute to decide kung sino yung magre-represent sa inyong grupo. The time will start now. Okay, time's up. So, pakipuntahan na dito sa harapan. So, dito, kung sino yung mauna na matapos, sila yung mananalo. Okay? Ready? Set? Go! Jennifer, ano yan? Bakit nagsa-cellphone? Okay, let me check. So, please sit down. So, indoor activities. Tama ba itong chess?
Tama!
Biking?
Mali!
Mali! Mali! So, badminton?
Tama!
Bowling?
Indoor po.
Table tennis?
Indoor!
Tama. So, sino yung nasagot dito sa indoor activities?
Siniki po!
Okay, ito tayo sa outdoor activities. So, soccer?
Yes!
Swimming?
Outdoor!
Golf?
Outdoor!
Biking?
Outdoor!
Also, biking. So, the winner is
Group.
So, question.
Nothing.
What was our new lesson? It's all about
Activities in outdoor and indoor.
what? Stand up, Darcy.
In activities in I think hiking. So we build our stamina.
Okay, thank you. Sino pa? It's all about?
I think our activities about outdoor activities.
Okay, outdoor activities and also
Hiking.
activities. Sino pa? It's all about?
I think about it's our main topic is about hiking related to outdoor activities.
Okay, so indoor activities and outdoor activities, hiking kay because of outdoor activities. So, tama kaya yung mga sagot ninyo?
Not sure po.
Not sure, ma'am. Maybe.
Okay, so let's proceed to our objectives. So, please read our objectives, everyone.
The students are expected to discuss the benefits of hiking that contribute in preserving the environment, identify the planning, assessment, and evaluation of other considerations, demonstrate the relevance of hiking, how to plan and execute a hike.
Okay, thank you, class. So, let's proceed to teacher Julie.
So, good morning class. So, I'm your teacher Julie, or you can also be called teacher Julie. So, kanina, activity kayo tungkol sa indoor and outdoor activity. So, ngayon, I have another activity also. All you need to do is, guess the picture. It's called guess the picture, and you need to observe or tell me what you can see about the picture or what is your idea. So this is the picture. So now, Miss Pabilio, what can you see about the picture?
About hiking and camping.
Hiking and camping. Oh, Miss Malupi. So, all of your answer must be correct. So, I have another question. What do you think is the difference between hiking activity to another outdoor activity? So, Mr. Medina, rather.
I think the difference of hiking activity to other activities is that another outdoor activity is that hiking is more having fun or engaging. As what we see in the picture, you're with your peers. And also it will have a lot of benefits in your family.
Okay, so Mr. Darcy.
So for me is the difference of other activities like hiking, swimming, and another activity is same of developing your endurance, stamina, and especially hiking is to develop the nature, nature lover baka.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dorothy. So, all of your answers must be correct. Tama yung sinabi nyo na it boosts your, it gives enjoyment and boosts your stamina. Tama yun. And also, through hiking activities, magiging enjoy tayo and magiging connect tayo sa ating environment. Pwede natin magkaroon ng hiking activity sa forest, mountain, and other countryside. So, have you ever tried to do hiking activities, class? Yes. So, ano yung mga places na pinupuntahan nyo during your hiking? Yes. Sa mga bundok.
Doon po sa bukid namin po.
Sa bukid ninyo.
Cheesecake, ma'am.
Sa Sanchez Peak. Sa Lake Cebu. Ang layo-layo naman ang pinag-hiking nyo.
Sa Mount Everest.
Sa Mount Everest. Grabe, no? Kapunta ka din doon. Sa Kagubatan.
Kulan, ma'am.
Sa kasagbutan.
Okay, stop na. Okay, stop na. So, yung mga answer nyo ay nakakatuwa talaga, no? Kasi malalayo yung mga pinupuntahan nyo para magawa yung hiking activities nyo. So, another question. Why do you think that preparation is important before hiking? Yes, Mr. Dal.
Important na siya sa tuwang for example, if it's a survival, you need to bring water, and foods, and especially your battery because very, very dark.
Very dark. So, sino pa? Miss Comunito.
Importante na prepared ka bago hiking kay kung may mga case of emergency, natin makuha like alcohol sa tuwang masabad mang ka, ready ka sa mga tabo.
Thank you, Miss Comunito. So, tama yung mga sagot ninyo, no? In case of emergency, preparation is a must. So, through preparation, maaari nating, tama yung sinabi nyo na pag may mga accident or merong situation na hindi expect is possible na agad natin makakagapan yun. And also, it allowing us na maging successful yung hiking activity na ginagawa natin and while on, ini-enjoy natin yung paggawa ng hiking activity na yan. So, now I will give the floor to my co-teacher, Miss Velias, for our final discussion.
So, good morning, class. I am your teacher, Angel, and you all know our topic for this morning is about
Hiking.
Okay, very good. So, meron na kayong idea kung ano yung hiking since Ma'am Julie discussed it.
Yes po.
So, can you please read everyone?
Hiking.
Walks along nature trails, which usually provide a higher scenic views. Appreciation of scenic and experimental encounter of various natural and cultural features. Having an average knowledge of and preparation will greatly contribute to the positive outcome of the activity.
Okay, class. Based on what we read, what do you think was the importance of hiking and what is the limitation of hiking? Anyone? Yes.
For me is appreciation of the spirit and experiential encounter. So, you need to appreciate the nature and you know na what is the beautiful of the views and we need to kailangan natin na maging natural na para makapamilya rin ito ng mga cultural beliefs.
Okay. Thank you. So, hiking involves long walks. So, mostly sa hiking is Stone Age. Because ang Stone Age is hindi pa sila high-tech. As in, wala pa sila high technology. So,
Dahil wala silang ganun, mas prefer nila yung pag-walk. To discover things, to enjoy the place, and to know the beauty of the nature. So, having an average fitness is important because you cannot go to hiking if you are not physically fit. Do you understand? Yes. Thumbs up if na
Mga kaya ka-visitor po.
yes.
Alam ko ba mga monster po dyan?
Depende po. So, malalaman natin mamaya if anong gagawin mo para prepare ka if may monster. So, planning. Please read everyone.
Transportation. This usually chosen according to comfort and affordability.
So, if taga-Jensen kayo and then gusto niyo yung malapit lang, affordable, syempre, consider the transportation because you cannot go in Mount Everest if sobrang layo and hindi mo afford or hindi mo kaya. So, consider the transportation. Importante din po na safe po at kaya-kaya natin to have this comfort.
Expenses. These include transportation fees, meals, and transit to venue and pocket money.
So, based sa inyo bata, ano ang kakalayan pagkakaroon sa expenses?
So, meron na ako na request to value kung magpalitan sa so, binibili na to na natin makamil pang-trans, siyempre, nangigit na tayo pan-pan dito, tapos, kanang kung halimbawa, isa ng tumuga, natin nakalip ito, global, food, and ano ito mo.
Okay, very good. Tama ito. Kailangan natin magdala ng extra money in case if may gusto tayong bilhin or may charges. At least man lang, prepare ka kasi may pocket money pa or mga expenses na kailangan bayaran. And then next is meal preparation.
Food and water na for the entire trip to your destination and back.
So, hindi naman po pwede na whole day kayo doon and then yung dinalang pagkain is for breakfast lang. So, kailangan din na prepare ka para hindi ka magutom para mas mag-enjoy ka. Di ba? Pag pag-usok, happy.
So,
And then next, we have a question dito po. Okay, very good. Next is
equipment,
gear po.
Gear. So, yung ma'am,
Okay lang, okay lang. Okay, please proceed.
Having the proper equipment that are in good condition would ensure comfort and minimize risk of injuries among the participants.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Equipment or gears. So, why is it important to have equipment or gear when we are going?
It's important to tumabang equipment kasi kapag halimbawa nag-hiking tayo and then wala kang dalawang shoes o hindi ka nag-shoes, matusugatan yung paa mo or halimbawa mga gamit na halimbawa ka mag-hiking tayo anong gabi, and then wala kang mga flashlights, wala kang mga gamit pang luto, is magugutom ka talaga, wala kang alam mo gagawin, paano mo magluto.
Okay, very good. So, it is important to have an equipment. Because para malayo tayo sa disgrasya. Katulad na pagsusuot ng mga pang-cover po sa katawan. Para kahit gaano kalamig or kainit, meron tayong protection from our skin and also sa ating feet. And next, other fitness is
A good pair of shoes is the most important gear must own. You should have enough traction for hiking.
So as what Miss Jennifer said, footwear is important to protect our feet from danger. Siyempre po, nakakapagod din ang mag-hiking. Hindi po pwede na nakaaka na pupunta sa hiking. Aside sa discomfort is masakit talaga sa paa. Next is
Preparing heavy loads for any sort of equipment, there are two known types of backpack. One is external frame, the other is internal frame.
so there is a difference between external and internal. From the word itself, external and internal, it is very different. But it is same and it's important to me because ganyan ko talaga pag nag-hiking, kailangan mo magdala ng backpack para sa mga equipments, mga dadalhin mo, para hindi, para maisahan ng po yung mga dadalhin. Next is,
These would be your toilet transfers, therapy, including medicine, extra clothes, and etc.
yes. Why is it important to have personal
Well, it's vital when you are doing hiking to have a personal effect listening on personality because halimbawa pag meron nasusugatan, you have to put for example, disinfect. Ipagyan mo ng metadine and pag-pass. And for example, sa kagubatan kayo na lalakbay, maraming mga what we say another feature that's insect that could potentially bite you, and that's why that could probably trigger your allergic reaction. That's why medicine is important to fight the history of the serpents, and also the alcohol forward disinfection. If ever na meron magkain kayo, you have to disinfect to avoid mga germs and bacteria.
Okay, very well said. So as your classmate said, it is important is personal effect such as alcohol, medicine, toiletries. So here is when you want to go to comfort room, you have this toilet or alcohol for disinfectant. And also, sa medicine, importante din po, what if nasasakit kayo doon or may kailangan na gamot, at lang po ay prepare tayo. That's up in. Very good. Next is
Leave no trace principle. In 1993, Leave no trace Center for Outdoor Ethics with various concerns with the environment around the world have adopted their 7 principles.
so, in what year? In what year po natin na-discover leave no trace? 1990. Yes. And as of now, ay pinapractice pa rin po natin ang leave no trace since marami po mga tao ang nagamay. And there are 7 principles. Please read the 7 principles.
Be considerate of others, respect wildlife, durable ground, build what we can, dispose waste properly, minimize the effects of fire.
So, key factors are here. Plan and prepare with important. Kasi, punta tayo sa ibang lugar, tapos alam natin, dapat gawin, dapat gamitin. And at the same time, ano magkatago na dito? Sa place mo palagay, ano ang kalagayan na number 2? Anyone?
And consider because sa hiking hanggang kayo po yung nag-hiker, and that's why we show first months there's space to
So, let's consider practice. Pag nakamit na kasi, pagkakalo ang sa hiking, kung paano gusto mag-enjoy, gusto motivation na kasi. And then, this next wildlife. Wildlife, siguro po, hindi sign pa alam na sa hiking na kayo mag-rate na
Dapat sa
okay, nalakasan ko na lang po ang boses ko po. Iwan, since malaki na po tayo, nalakasan ko lang po ang boses ko. Okay? Okay na po ba? Iwan, okay. So, nakasanayan na po natin. Kunwari gusto po natin ang bulaklak. Kasi kahit hindi naman sa atin, but awal na talaga. So, ano po ang nandiyan sa ating kalayan, feedback. Huwag mo sila po maglalakad. Wala naman po natin na hindi sa atin. Dito po, So, nakakasina po ang kasina sa ating environment. Kailangan ko lang proper segregation, proper place, and forest para hindi po makalat ang ating kalit. And lastly, minimize the effect of fire. Yes.
So, sa hiking, hindi natin ngayon tayo nakakapagpapaya. Kung natin pinapinulong natin ang pagpapaya to avoid the widespread of your fire. Sa halimbawa sa mga bundok o sa kanilang umalag o kapaya, minimize natin siya para hindi tayo makasira sa kalikasan at hindi natin masisira ang mga natural habitat ng mga hayop.
Okay, very good. Very good, sir. So, it is important to have minimize the effect of fire.
ay makasira, makasunog, at instead po na makadisgrasya is kailangan po talaga i-minimize yung fires. So, thumbs up if naiintindihan na lahat. Questions po? Okay. Let's proceed to our activity. So, ayan, once again, good morning, no? So, kanina, alam ko na narinig nyo nakinig kayo sa discussion ng teacher nyo na si Teacher Angelica. So, alam ko matatalino kayo kaya naiintindihan nyo yung topic natin na ID. For now, meron akong activity sa inyo. So, all you need to do is make a slogan. But before that, I will divide you into 4 groups. So, this is the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So, listen class. So, you need to make a slogan about safety during hiking to avoid unwanted incidents or injuries. For example of the slogan is safety of our #1 priority. So, when you do your slogan, please indicate the criteria. So, our criteria is creativity 20%, content 20%, teamwork 10%, total of 50%. So, I will give you 4 minutes to think and make your slogan. And after that, you need to choose one representative of your group and then present and explain about your slogan. So, it's naiintindihan nyo ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, group 4, so, your timer starts now. So, okay. So, group 1, and then now present your slogan. Okay, thank you, group 1. So, group 2.
So this is the work of group 2. The slogan is safety first, avoid wars.
Okay, thank you, group 2. Group 3, present your work. Eyes on your step. Okay, now let's do group 4.
Group 4, you feel that it is water and it is
Okay, so now please clap your hands for yourself. Okay, I see that lahat kayo ay nagtutulungan talaga as a group and then you do your best talaga. So now, let's forward to our criteria and your scores. For the group 1, creativity, you have 19 points. Your content is also 19 points. And your teamwork is 10 points. So, the total of 48 48 points. So, palakpakan group 1. For the group 2 naman, your creativity is 20 points, your content is 15 points, and your teamwork is 10 points. A total of 45%. So, sa content nila is medyo nakukulangan ako sa pag-explain ng kung saan ba yung slogan nila. So, sa group 3 naman, you have creativity 20 points, content 19 points, and the teamwork is 10 points. So, a total of 49%. So, dito naman, makikita natin na medyo malapit na, medyo na i-hit ko na yung, nakikita ko na yung explanation nila, but and also, hindi masyadong na-clarify. And dahil nga, parang hindi prepared yung nag-present or ang kanilang piniling presentator. So, also, the last group is the group 4. Creativity 20 points, content 20 points, and teamwork 10 points. A total of 50% points. So, makikita nyo talaga, di ba, na creative talaga ang pagkakagawa nila at ang pag-deliver nila ng kanilang representative ay clear at saka nagtutulungan talaga sila. So, are you enjoy for our activity, class? Later on, the group 4, pupunta sa akin and paper, right? So, now for our next activity, they're going to Angelica for so, nag-complete ko pa lahat sa akin. Now, before we proceed to our activity, our quiz rather, I want you to answer my question first. So, why is it important the 7 principles for
It is important to avoid the risk sa mga campfires and para po sa ang malikasan. Wala po ma'am.
okay? Other hand, para ma-avoid na ito kung saan mga dapat fighting tapos ang importante ang sama na lang bakit kaya kung ano na ano siya sa during fighting ng hindi ka makasira sa ang re-reactive mo. Okay? Thank you.
Importante siya na
Seven
you know, yung nakabilikot sa social media, also, ayun, kung saan ka mahagin, to avoid those important like meeting, at the same time, focus on our action.
Okay, very good. So it is important to remember the 7 principles para responsable po tayo sa ating mga actions. And then now, what are the things we need for hygiene?
Backpack.
Yes, personal internet. Okay. Okay. Personal effects.
Protective ears.
Yes. And last, footwear. Okay. Naintindihan mo po ba lahat? Wala lang po questions. Okay. Let's proceed to our quiz.
Okay, magbibigay ako ng quiz ngayon. So, get 1 full sheet of paper. So, but before that, this is properly. get 1/4 sheet of paper, class. So, the type of quiz natin ngayon ay multiple choice and 2 points each. So, I give you 3 minutes to answer this. The time will start now. So, answer it silently, class, ha? Okay, time's up. So please pass your paper forward. Okay, before we end our lesson for today, please advance study about the whole topic of hiking. So that's all. Please stand. Goodbye, class.
Thank you, Ma'am Yong. Thank you.
Ah, babang isip ni Mamon.